Here's a quick Ariana Grande Halloween tutorial. Using my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, I take the white shade here and put it all over my lids and crease.
Don't like staying up and talking about your family till we fall asleep.
Then I take this warm tan color and put it on my crease.
But you know my order when we're out to eat and you pay for me. 'Cause I don't wanna be someone.
Afterwards, I take this darker color and put it all over my lids.
Don't care. You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you
I then take the warm tan color and use it to blend my crease even more.
come in. I push you out, saying I don't.
Next, I line my eyes with that same color on the bottom part of my eyes.
I hate to love you, so I love to hate you.
And then I line the outer part with the darker color.
Love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you.
Lastly, I'm going to add this pink shimmer to the inner corners of my eyes
Don't like when you look at me.
and then take this white highlighter and add it to my crease/lash line.
Don't like.
Now I put on my eyeliner, which is the new Kyliner liquid liner, and hope that everything goes right. Ariana usually wears her eyeliner with a high wing. Just go slowly, and if you make a mistake, it's okay. You have the time.
You go on and make me feel things that I don't wanna feel. So I get scared every time you open up. I'm shutting down every time you come in. I push you out, saying I don't want you, but you know I do. 'Cause I hate to love you, so I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you. I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you.
Next, I put some false eyelashes on and then put on my Too Faced mascara.
You know I like you, I do. And when I say I don't need you, I just mean
I'll then brighten under my eyes using a lighter concealer.
every time you open up, I'm shutting down. Every time you come in, I push you out, saying I don't want you, but
Next, I'll use my favorite powder contour kit and put the contour in a 3 shape.
I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you. I love to hate you. Ooh, I love you, I hate you.
I'll add some highlighters to my nose and my Cupid's bow as well with my finger. Ariana usually wears a nude lip color, and for that, I will be using the coconut lip liner and Bare liquid lipstick from Kylie Cosmetics.
I don't like
This completes the makeup portion. It's super easy.
till we fall asleep. I
Next, for hair, I use the Ariana pony from I&H Hair, but you could also use their Molly and Mia ponytail to achieve the same effect.
be someone loving, looking dumb.
This outfit is super easy. I use this black hoodie dress from Amazon and then some knee-high booties that I've owned in my closet for forever. And that's it. A very easy last-minute Halloween costume to take your thank you next vibes to the next level. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, and I would love for you to subscribe. You just gotta click on my face, or you can watch some of my other tutorials that are pretty cool too, you know what I'm saying? Bye guys, I hope you have a really good rest of your day.
You, ooh,